Taste the dirt as I hit the ground. You were there through it all. How far you gonna go before you know what you should have known all along? Now at last I can fall into your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. You live like a drop of rain, love like a hurricane. Now you're home in the place you should be. Don't let me go again. Can't wait until I spend every day making lifelong memories inside your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed to your waiting arms. I'll change everything for you. Give you my hand and hold you through. There's just one thing that I need. I need your waiting arms. I need your waiting arms. I need your waiting arms. I'm headed straight to your waiting arms. Your into your waiting arms, waiting arms.
This morning I miss you. I feel it in every part of my bones. Something hit me when I opened my eyes. I was feeling so empty inside. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. Taking my time, letting this river gush and be wide. So move New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe, and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you.